Dear students, in this video we will learn about very important name reaction, that is pinacol-pinacolone rearrangement. This name reaction is very important from your examination point of view. In 2019 this reaction was asked in both BSc Part 1 and BSc Part 3 examination. So let us see what is this reaction, who discovered this reaction, and how this reaction works in the synthetic chemistry. So pinacol-pinacolone rearrangement, as you can see on the screen, that this is acid catalyzed rearrangement. So it is the rearrangement is a method, and this used to convert the 1,2-diol. You see here 1,2-diol, which is pinacol. यहाँ पर 1 और 2 पोजीशन पे अल्कोहलिक ग्रुप लगे हुए हैं, ये 1,2-diol है, and this 1,2-diol rearrange to form the pinacolone. So in synthetic chemistry this is very useful method for converting 1,2-diol to carbonyl compound, and this rearrangement take place under acidic condition. This reaction is named as pinacol-pinacolone rearrangement because the starting compound and the product is named as pinacol and pinacolone respectively. And this reaction was first described by Rudolf Fittig. Fittig is very famous chemist who discovered the Fittig reaction, and it was first reported in 1860, but somehow Fittig was not successful to identify the products correctly. Few years after, it was Alexander Butlerov who correctly identified the reaction products, and he credited for this reaction. It was in 1859 when William Rudolph first described this reaction, but finally in 1873 the correct structures of the product has been proposed. So let us see how this reaction works, or what is the mechanism of this reaction. As you can see here, this reaction is acid catalyzed. So अगर acid medium में present है, it means that we have H plus in the reaction medium. So the very first step, we have the lone pair of electron on oxygen, and H plus will attach with the hydroxy group of the pinacol, and this will protonate the oxygen to get the oxonium ion or OH2 plus. This will facilitate the removal of water molecule, and which will create a carbocation here. This is the carbocation intermediate. Now this carbocation intermediate will rearrange by 1,2-alkyl shift, and after 1,2-alkyl shift the carbonyl group will be generated, and we will get our desired product, that is pinacolone. So students, this is a very easy mechanism of this reaction, and this reaction is very important from your examination point of view. So how this reaction works, this pinacol can be generated by acetone and pinacol. By acetone, and when acetone will be treated with a base like potassium, it will generate pinacol, and when pinacol will be treated with the acid, it will generate pinacolone, which can be further oxidized into acid, that is trimethyl acetic acid. This reaction can be extended to other substrates also. Here you can see the examples. These examples were asked in examinations. Write the structures of products formed from the following substrates under pinacol-pinacolone rearrangement condition. So here in the first you can see this is the 1,2-diol compound, this is 1,2-diol compound, 1,2-diol compound. So easily you can predict the product by applying the mechanism on this on these reactants. Now there is another question of migrating groups. The migrating groups attacks trans to the leaving group, because in mechanism you have seen here that one group is migrating and one methyl is shifting to other carbon. So this methyl group must be at the trans position to the other group. What is indicated here, you can see the migrating group must attach at the trans position to the leaving OH group. Here you can see this one water is removing and alkyl group is migrating. So if this OH2 is leaving from above the plane, then the CH3 will migrate from below the plane. The orientation must be NT, as you can see in both the examples. Like here, you see, if we have a 6-membered ring, it will lead to formation of 5-membered ring in the product. This is the mechanism for the formation of pinacol product. In another example, you can see here we have two 5-membered ring joined with 1,2-diol reactant, and when this will react with the acid catalyst, one of the alcohol group will protonated, and after removal of water molecule it will generate a carbocation here. Now this one 5-membered ring will expand to form the one 6-membered ring and the spiro center, and one of the carbonyl group will be generated in this reaction. Similarly, this mechanism can be applied on this reactant to form the pinacolone. So this is some other examples of pinacolone rearrangement. In this reactant, you can see here that this is a naphthalene ring and diphenyl acetylnaphthalene 7,8-diol. It reacts under pinacolone rearrangement condition to give the 7-oxo-8,8-diphenyl acetylnaphthalene. These are some other examples of pinacolone rearrangement which can be asked in your examination. So this is all for this reaction, and in next video session we will learn other reaction. So thank you.